Leptina tarsa disseminata, also known as the Colorado potato beetle. While small, it poses a massive threat to potato crops. The larvae swarm onto potato plants and devour the leaves. With their leaves tattered and unable to photosynthesize, the potato plants quickly die. Pesticides are typically the preferred method of removing harmful insects, but potato beetles have quickly become resistant to many pesticides. Thus, many farmers are forced to manually pick them off, a process that is time-consuming and tiring. If only there was an easier way to pick them off. That's where we come in. My name is Gilang, and these are my partners Citizen, Maggie, Brielle, Kaylee, Ryan, and Charlie. And for the past 3.5 months, we have been designing, building, and testing a machine that would streamline the process of removing these beetles as a part of our Inter-UGR 170 course. Our client, UW horticulture scientist and researcher Dr. Rue Genger, gave us what we need to know about the plants and the beetles we're up against. We learned about everything we could about potato plants and potato beetles so we could properly design a machine to go to war with these beetles. We brainstormed for a while and came up with a number of possible designs for our machine, until eventually we settled on one concept, inspired by the brushes in car washes. We played around with this idea more until we finalized our design, a PVC frame holding a belt and pulley system that would turn a pair of vertical brushes as the wheels rotated and the machine was pushed. The frame would surround the crops and the spinning brushes would swat the beetles into a collection tray, ensuring the beetles don't escape and crawl back into the potato plants. In addition, the entire machine would be expandable so that it could fit various crop widths. After a long planning period filled with lengthy documents, rudimentary sketches, and digital CAD designs, we finally had the chance to begin production. So we got to work.
I want you to love me, but you just wanna love me for the day, and I can't just walk away, even though I know you're trouble, babe. So I will take my time, go with the flow, can't get too involved. You got a face that I just can't say no to, just can't say no to you. You know I want you, baby, you know I do. I'll give you my heart and the rest is up to you. You ain't no good for me, I know it's true, but you don't have to pay, 'cause I do it for the thrill, for the rush. I do it for the pain, for your touch. Well, I only when it's too much. If I survive, maybe you're the one, you're the one.
After hours upon hours of work and tons of unexpected hiccups, we finished the machine and lovingly nicknamed it Petunia. To use it, simply push it over a row of potato crops and the spinning brushes will knock the beetles into the trays. With Petunia finished, it was now time for testing. Using our size adjusting mechanism, we rolled it at multiple size settings through grass, on pavement, and through the snow. We rolled it up hills, down hills, and across streets. We also rolled it across 50 meters and used a dot marked on each horizontal axle to count how many times it fully rotated. Across 50 meters, it rotated 20 times, translating to 0.4 brush rotations per meter rolled. After that, we rolled it across some potted potato plants with balls of tape and anti-slip furniture pads stuck to the leaves to simulate potato beetles attached to the leaves. We found that around 65% were successfully removed and contained into the collection trays. With testing done, we were proud to conclude with successful results that also satisfied the requirements of our client. Special thanks to our client Rue, our lab instructor Katie, our fabrication SA Ash, and our SAs Shay and Fiorella. We couldn't have done this without their help. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed.